Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful product that brings a classic American tradition right into your home, the Crafted Brew DIY Root Beer Brewing Kit. We found this kit online and have included a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The Crafted Brew Root Beer Kit allows you to make your very own root beer at home, offering a fun and rewarding brewing experience. With this kit, you can craft up to 4 liters of frothy, old-fashioned soda in just a matter of hours. Imagine serving your homemade root beer in a frosty mug or even pairing it with a scoop of ice cream for a delicious float. It's a fantastic way to relive those childhood memories or create new ones with your family. One of the standout features of this kit is its focus on flavor. The Crafted Brew Root Beer Kit includes a homemade craft syrup made from a blend of spices, roots, berries, and barks. This combination not only ensures a rich and authentic taste but also gives you the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's going into your beverage. The addition of demerara sugar and maltodextrin enhances the sweetness and contributes to a full, creamy mouthfeel before you carbonate your brew. This kit is designed as a home brew starter kit, making it suitable for both complete beginners and seasoned hobbyists. Whether you're brewing for the first time or looking to refine your craft, the included Craft to Brew Guide to Making Root Beer instruction manual will help guide you through the entire process. It's an excellent resource for learning about the art of brewing, so you can feel confident in your new skills. What's great about the Crafted Brew Root Beer Kit is that it includes everything you need to get started. It comes with all the essential ingredients and supplies, including root beer botanicals, maltodextrin, demerara sugar, a steeping bag, a funnel, 2 specialty carbonation bottle caps, and yeast. This comprehensive brewing kit makes for a fun activity that the whole family can enjoy together. Imagine spending a weekend afternoon brewing up a batch of root beer with your kids, teaching them about the brewing process while creating something delicious to share. It's a fantastic way to bond and introduce them to the world of homemade beverages. And don't forget, this is a non-alcoholic kit, so it's perfectly suitable for all ages to enjoy. In terms of practical use cases, this kit is perfect for family gatherings, barbecues, or even just a quiet evening at home. You could host a DIY root beer float party, inviting friends and family to try out your homemade creation. It's also a unique and thoughtful gift for birthdays or holidays, especially for anyone who enjoys cooking or crafting their own drinks. To wrap it up, the Crafted Brew DIY Root Beer Brewing Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore the world of home brewing. With its easy-to-follow instructions, high-quality ingredients, and the joy of making something from scratch, it's sure to bring smiles all around. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.